Borrowell Personal Loan Review, Usage Experience. Links to Borrowell are in the description. Borrowell is a Canadian fintech platform offering personal loans and free credit score monitoring. It connects borrowers with multiple lenders, making it easier to find competitive loan offers without impacting credit scores. Loan amounts range from $1,000 to $50,000, with repayment terms between 3 and 5 years. Interest rates start around 5.6%, but vary depending on creditworthiness. The application process is fully online and takes just minutes, with pre-approval options helping users compare offers quickly. Borrowell is ideal for individuals looking to consolidate debt, cover emergency expenses, or fund major purchases. A key advantage is that it only performs a soft credit check initially, allowing users to explore loan options without affecting their credit score. Additionally, Borrowell provides personalized financial insights, helping users improve their credit standing over time. Unlike traditional banks, approval and funding can be faster, sometimes within 48 hours. However, those with poor credit may face higher interest rates or limited loan options. There are no hidden fees, but borrowers should review lender terms for origination fees. Borrowell's platform is best for those who prefer a hassle-free online experience, transparency, and multiple lender choices. It's not a direct lender, so final loan approval depends on the partnered financial institution's criteria. Overall, if you're looking for an efficient way to compare personal loan offers in Canada while monitoring and improving your credit, Borrowell is a solid choice. Check the links in the description for more details and to see if Borrowell is right for you.